Hey, what's up, you guys? This is RJ here, guys. So today I'm so excited about our my friend the Sagar. He's from India and he is crushing with ClickFunnels. So I'm so excited about that today. So let me invite him. So I have to lot to talk about him. So let me invite him so he can share his story and how he started with his journey. Everything we will talk about that in this life. So uh, welcome, Sagar.
Hey, Ajay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ajay, for having me.
You are welcome. You are more than welcome. I mean, I was just making plan to go live with you. It's been long time, and I
Yeah.
was thinking like, see, my point is that like I'm just bringing people to get to know that because there's a lot of people,
Mhm.
from the our country and outside of the United States, they have thinking
Mhm.
is like they cannot do anything from different country. This affiliate marketing things, they have it. Like I talk to a lot of people from my friends and family and a lot of people. They said like, "Oh, you are in America, that's why you are doing good." But we cannot do
Mhm.
anything from affiliate marketing is not good in India or something, so that's why I try to bring more people from India to talk about that, how you guys are started and how you guys are crushing, because sometimes they say, oh, you have the TikTok, that's why you are making money. But I said there's a lot of people without TikTok, they are making money also. So that's why I try
Yeah.
to bring out people from mostly India and like that place, those they don't have TikTok, how they are crushing. That's why I'm bringing people. So welcome everyone again. So yeah, I will give some chance to talk Sagar. Just go ahead and tell your story, how you started. Everything, please.
Thanks, Ajay. Thanks for having me today in your show. And I'm very glad that I'm part of your interview. And yeah, so I got started exactly 1 year back. Today's 22nd of March. And you say that we have got lockdown and in our country. And I was thinking that like, and company also announced that, hey, you guys have to work uh, for half salary. Now I have my MBA job. I have my 4 years of experience, right? Even after 4 years of experience, I got shocked that either you have to sit in your home and
Hmm.
doing nothing, you will not get any payment, or you
Yeah.
if you wanted to work, then you will get only 50% salary. That's it. So that time I got shocked that I should build skill, my own business, right? Then only I can survive, right?
You're right.
Then I started with affiliate. Then I started with searching that what I can do in digital marketing. I
Mhm.
started going. So before that, before January, sorry, before March, I was attending various seminars and like you can say events to learn digital marketing.
Mhm.
But when I see that if I start digital marketing, mostly people think about blogging, right? So if I start blogging, then it will take 6 months, maybe 1 year, and you don't know whether you will get results or not. This is not
You're
sure.
right.
Then somebody in some groups, the guy suggested that you should start affiliate marketing. That is the fastest way to monetize your skill, monetize whatever thing you to get on money online.
Mhm.
Then but I thought that I should start affiliate marketing, but then again got stuck in that ClickBank kind of thing, and I couldn't figure it out what exactly how to proceed because there was nobody who can guide me on this process, right?
You're right.
Then I joined one another trainings. Then I started slowly learning that affiliate marketing, and in between that I got to know about ClickFunnels. Then that why ClickFunnels? The ClickFunnels is the only company who provides 100% commission for the one follower challenge. that stuck in my mind. Hey, why should I promote like 2%, 3%, Amazon and the like 20, 30%? Let's start with 100%. So
So,
I
Sagar,
joined,
sorry to interrupt you.
yeah,
In my group, there's a lot of people they don't know anything about the affiliate marketing. Just they come from my TikTok and they are in the group. Okay, they really don't know about the affiliate marketing. What is that? So if you can explain them also, so it will be great for us.
that's great. So definitely affiliate marketing in a simple term, simple definition, if you want to know that it is a process of earning commission by promoting other people product, not your product, because you don't own any product, right? You
Mhm.
don't have to pay rent, you don't have to pay the development cost, you
Yeah.
don't own your product, you don't have to pay the delivery
Hmm.
things, you just have to promote things, and
Hmm.
the fulfillment is done by the that uh, company. Now
Yeah.
you will get the commission, right.
You're right.
You
It's
must have seen so many, like I started to get to know about affiliate marketing from YouTube. Like people are promoting unboxing and they are sharing the affiliate link, Amazon affiliate link in their YouTube descriptions.
you're
Then
right.
I thought, okay, that is what I got to know about affiliate marketing. Like affiliate marketing works like this. But I never know like there is a huge opportunity in digital products like selling courses, selling coaching programs,
You're right.
selling softwares. This actually give you the 30 to 40 to up to 100% commission.
Hmm.
That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Another simple term I would say that in in our childhood days, or like, so you definitely recommend something to other people, right? Maybe some mobile phones or anything, right?
We always do,
Hey,
right?
we would do, but
What
we
is
never
good
earn commission out of
earphone?
that.
Yeah, what is good earphone? Hey, what is the good shoes? Where did you buy this
Exactly.
one? I said, oh, you go there and buy this one. Go for the Amazon and buy this one. It's really good, right? But we didn't get anything, right?
We didn't get anything, didn't get anything. But here there's the opportunity. The same process you need to do is that just to share what you are doing, right? That you can earn the affiliate commission. That is simple term, right?
Yes. So it's like promoting someone products on social media, mostly in the
Yeah,
social medias and like the blog or email marketing or TikTok or all the social medias. And once people they buy from your link, that's how we get commissions, right? So it's a simple
correct.
thing. We don't have to own products or anything. So that's good. Thank you. Thank you for that. All
Yeah.
right, so this is affiliate marketing. All right, so you were talking about the click funnel. So what is the click funnels? Like a lot of people, they really don't know that click funnels also.
Yeah, actually, when I get started, I thought it is just a money making kind of thing.
Yeah,
But because I joined as a like to earn money, right? But
you're
when
right.
I entered into the training, when
Hmm.
Russell started teaching about sales funnel, then I thought like, wow, this is so much a big thing.
Yes.
One follow challenge, and ClickFunnels is not only to for the affiliate marketer. It is for
Yeah.
the coaches, consultant, e-commerce, every business you see on online that you can use ClickFunnels, right? So that's how I got interest into ClickFunnels, because people sometimes you see like there are so many affiliate programs. You see that they're selling opportunities to make money, right? But exactly, but it ClickFunnels, this product something helps to grow their business through
You're
software,
right.
through training. That is what ClickFunnels does, right? Like you are promoting that legendary marketer. It actually helps to grow in affiliate marketing
You're
or
right.
the, yeah, exactly, right. But so that is the thing. That product should at least impact someone's life. Someone life, they learn something and they change something in their life. That is what it's all about. Now, ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder and also having affiliate programs.
You're
Sales
right.
funnel builder means it's like the website you can design in a way that is having one call to actions at every single point of time.
Sorry about my baby. She's crying. I don't know why. So
No problem.
so my wife is taking care of that. So yeah, the sales funnels like a in the click funnels is like it's not only for affiliates. It's like a you're struggling with your business, right? And then we
Yeah,
teach how your business we can take to the next level, right? Because see, if you
correct.
own the business, it's all depends upon the marketing. If you don't know how to do marketing, your business sucks. It will go like a
Yeah,
your business is done, so it's all depend upon the marketing. It's like mostly here in the United States, the chiropractor, the small business, they don't have the good websites, and they don't know how to market it, so they have to pay for that business. I mean, pay for that all the advertisement and everything. But what the ClickFunnels is that it's really a drop and drag, and we teach people how to grow your business to the next level, right? So
exactly.
yeah, it's really good, and I love it, and as a beginner, you don't know anything, you just jump in, go for like a one funnel of a challenge, or like if you are using the ClickFunnels also, it's easy to drag. When I started, I was using ClickFunnels. Why? Because it's literally just I just remove my pictures, and everything is ready,
Yeah,
easy
it's
to use.
very easy.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very easy to use, and it looks professional. It's literally looks professional, and what we need in the business, we need something looks professional. That's how people they say, okay, this things, this the websites or these things just look legit. That's how the people they give your email ID or whatever you are doing. That's how it needs to be like a like if it looks good, then you can sell it. So this is like a attraction word. You have to show them, okay, this is looks good. So that's why I love ClickFunnels, by the way. Yeah, so I mean, you started with the ClickFunnels and you are doing good with that, so congratulations with that. Yeah,
thanks.
I'm really glad. I mean, this is the online business. We connect with the people, and that's why I start bringing people in my group to. I can say if you can do that from there, most of the people they can do that. A lot of people they stuck in drop shipping or FBA selling Amazon. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's cost a lot of money. Here, literally, you can see how many people they are on the like a Facebook every day. How many people,
Yeah,
right? Millions of people. How many times you invest your waste your time on the Facebook? I mean, like a normal people, 4 5 6 hours we are on the Facebook, we are doing nothing or anything. So why not leveraging Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube to make some money, right? Use it, just use it as the
great.
free organic marketing. Use it promoting someone products, and that's how make money. So these things people they really don't understand, and I'm trying to motivate people also. That's why I start bringing people and tell them, hey, go, and then it's like a learn, do, and teach. We learn first, we are doing now, and now we are teaching also someone, hey, do it. It's really good thing. So that's a good thing about the affiliate marketing. All right. So, yeah. So, how you are doing your of course, you are doing affiliate with that. So, how you are leveraging traffic on the, I know that the YouTube and the Facebook, right? You are most active on the YouTube and Facebook. So, how you are how you leverage your traffic? Did you talk with people? How you are generating sales and all?
Cool. So, as you mentioned that it is like people are complaining about that you are only doing TikTok and all,
Yeah.
but that is not the things. People are doing multiple traffic sources,
Yeah.
and it is not like that that you cannot do with this platform or any. This is definitely not very platform specific. If you focus on one platform and master it, and you can do it too, right? So that is what it's all about. You so whatever resources you have, let's suppose you have Facebook, you have Instagram,
Hmm.
use that and leverage, learn their algorithm, how
You're
their algorithm works, right? How their platform works, right? At the first, it will take time to understand exactly what this platform all about. Now I can say, okay, if I put into this post in this way, I think this post will get engagement, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
So because I tried tested like, because you have to also you have to be ready to fail that definitely not every TikTok video go viral, right?
Of
Does
course.
it? Right.
Yeah.
So you have to keep on trying and testing things. So what my strategy is all about, like using Facebook profile funnel, right? I have optimized my Facebook profile in such a way that it is act as a landing page,
Hmm.
right? So
Right.
what I do is I drive traffic to my profile, and in
Hmm.
my profile, I have call to actions as in my group, Facebook group,
All right.
right? And everybody, why should they will join your Facebook group? And if you go through my profile, then you will see that I provided one course to join my group. So people tend to join because they're getting free course, right?
Something
So
free.
I have one private level course of my mentor. So I
Mm.
just share them as a free whenever someone join my group, right?
Yeah.
So that is a like bribe you can say to
Hmm.
get into your tribe, right?
Yeah.
So people join. So that's the reason why people started joining my group.
Mm.
And also whenever I go live, and definitely I do lots of activities in my profile. Not only my profile, I do activities in other people groups, also other groups, my
Yeah.
niche group, right?
Hmm.
So that's my. So then first you need to figure it out where is your audience is already hanging out, right?
Hmm.
So you don't need like thousands of traffic or hundred of traffics every single day. If
Yeah.
you have five qualified traffic,
Hmm.
five qualified people to your profile, that is a huge, right? If somebody signed up, one or two people signed up with your low ticket product, then they will may upgrade it later, right?
Yeah.
So that is the main objective is that going in front of your target audience. Let's suppose my target audience is the people who are just get started with affiliate marketing, right?
Okay.
Or
Mm.
they not earn anything from affiliate marketing. So what I do is I go to affiliate marketing specific group, right?
Okay.
And try to answer the questions,
You're right.
right? When you answer questions, you build an authority that okay, you are an authority person that you can answer these questions. Then you start helping those people. Not only whatever answers you put, right?
Hmm.
Whatever answers you put, now the people ask the questions, he will definitely may try to contact you or try to learn more from you. He will approach, or somebody else, those who are not doing anything, they are just observing like what is happening in this group, right?
Yes.
They will also sometimes come to you that hey, I need your help, I wanted to learn from you, right? Now also just someone said that I have done one following challenge, but I have not got sale from last 3 months. So
Yes.
now I will definitely explain them in the messenger,
Hmm.
and if I have anything offer, then I put my offer and then I get sales. So that's how it's done. It starts from my profile. Then profile people come to my group, and in group I give lots of value.
Okay.
Sometimes people approach me and I put my offer, and offer I can sell ClickFunnels software, I can sell ClickFunnels that one following challenge,
Hmm.
or many things that is all about like my organic strategy.
That's cool. That's good. Good. It's very good. Yeah, because Facebook, I'm not there, but I'm just trying to be on the Facebook also because most of the my traffic coming from the TikTok. But now I get to know that, you know, let's come to the Facebook also. I start learning the different strategy on the group. Now I'm trying to give a lot of values. You know, people they ask me how to start the affiliate marketing and what is affiliate marketing, how it's gonna work. You know, I start talking with the people earlier. I mean, as a beginner, you know, we cannot jump on the different platform As you say, master it one platform, master it, and then move to
Yeah,
another platform. At least just give, once you start it, don't get overwhelmed. Keep 6 months at least. Six
yeah,
months, you will give anything you are doing in your life, just give a 6 month. Distraction,
yeah,
distraction is a lot of distractions are there in our life. Okay. So if you really focus on, okay, you want to make money with affiliate marketing, 6 months you want to make money, and just think about that, like just compare to your regular job and this money, how you are just income goal, like you are trying to reach your income goal, just differentiate. You are working 10 to 12 hours there, you are giving your time 10 to 12 hours to get that, to generate that money. Same hours, at least 6 hours give here every day. Learn it, master it, you will get results. Try to.
yeah. Like I see, like you also, sorry for interruption. You also started with that small wins. Then slowly you've grown with a big level, right? So
You're
that's
right.
how it works. You have to be patient and you keep on doing, putting your effort. Then sometimes happens, and definitely you will get results.
Yes, I started like I was just get overwhelmed. I was on the Facebook, I was in like a YouTube, I was on the Instagram, I was there, on what is that called, TikTok, everywhere. When I started, I said, okay, I invest my money, I need to get my money back. Anyhow, do this one, and I was so overwhelmed. And I was like, oh my God, I don't think so it's going to work out. But one day, after 3 months, I got 70 cent. That was my first commission, 70 cent. And it says, you just earned new commissions. And that morning, it was, I mean, I cannot explain myself what was that moment. 70 cents. It makes me believe that, yes, this thing is working. First is belief, Sagar. I'm
Yeah, brilliant.
talking to everyone also. First thing is belief. If you believe
Yeah,
that, it will work. If you don't believe, no matter what you do, it's not going to work. So first thing,
exactly.
and 3 months I was giving my time, but I had a hope. Like these people, they can make money. Why I can't do that? And anyway, I didn't have choice. COVID, staying home, doing nothing. So there was the good time to learn these skills. And still you are learning,
Yeah,
I'm learning. We are not perfect, but it's still we are one step ahead. Those they don't know anything, right? We are one
exactly.
step ahead. So this is very incredible journey. I love it. The thing is that you do what you love. It takes time, yes, takes
Yeah,
effort there, but guess what? 9 to 5 job, you're making money, okay, but that is not your passion. And when passion
correct.
doesn't exist, you'll be not happy in your life. You'll be not
Exactly.
happy. So you go live, you talk to people, you do what you love it. That's your passion, and that's how the money is like a coming, and you're enjoying. You're not getting tired, also, right?
Yeah,
I mean, I do. If I will sit there and I will make a YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook would go live, talk with the people, I don't get tired. I enjoy myself. I'm talking with you, I'm enjoying myself because we are in the same field, and your passion is same, my passion is same, and we do what we love. So that's a good thing about that. When I was working in the hotel industry for last 10 years, I was not happy. But what to do? We have the family, have the daughter, wife to raise, we have all the bills to pay. I was not happy though. But you know what? Like we started with something and we end up with something. But at least I didn't get. Don't be satisfied yourself. You are once you satisfied it, you are done. Just find your way. Okay, in starting, we do something because we need something to pay bills, but give at least 1 or 2 or 3 hours extra. To reach your goals or dreams. What you have the dreams.
I would
So
say like one thing I would just wanted to mention that you paid. That's the reason why you started working on more, taking
you're,
action on more,
you're
right?
right.
Because in Expert Secret, Russell Brunson mentioned that there
Yeah,
were so many people he invited for free in that event, and they
you're
they
right.
don't take action. But the reason you have invested $1,000 in I think Jonathan course,
Yeah,
that's the reason why you started taking action with like more speed and more faster, right?
you're right.
That is what you get result after that, right? Most of the people, they think that affiliate marketing is if I can start with free. No, that will not happen. Mm, Nothing will get for free. If you get for free, you will not value it, right? If
Free
I will
things
give,
never get valued.
yeah, if I will give 10,000 coaching program for free, you will not value it. But if
No.
you pay, taking loans, taking borrowing money,
Yeah,
then you have to take action, right?
you're
Then you
right.
will definitely get results. That's what happened with me also. I was not investing. I thought like I will get sales, then only I will invest. But when started investing, within 7 days I got sale because I know I have to get my money back. That's
You're right.
that's how it helped. Yeah,
And that time we focus, we give our time, and we just focus on the strategy, what we are learning, right? That time I
yeah,
said, okay, you focus more on that. Free is like, okay, you are just watching something free and suddenly something come up on the cell phone and you are like, okay, let me scroll this one, and once you invest it yourself, you keep your cell phone away and then you focus, like, okay, I have to learn this one. This is the future. Okay, let me learn for this one and the cell phone, and something distraction we will see the later on. I mean, if you do what you are doing every day, you'll get the same results, like
yeah,
you'll get same results every day.
yeah.
So do something different takes you to achieve your dream or dream goal. Do something different. That's how you're going to achieve goal. I mean, yeah, that's how. And yeah, I just want to ask you, what motivates you every day? What the things motivates you to go live and then you have to work? How you make the schedule? Because there's no boss, right? You have to make your own schedule. You have to motivate yourself. You have to, I mean, everything you only. So how did you get motivated?
I'll tell you, like, I have been consistent for the last 7 months. I have not even missed single day going live.
I
You can
saw.
say it is 2 to 5 days, means 225 days. I have been consistently doing Facebook Live. The reason being, I have committed myself that I'll do for the next 365 days,
Mhm.
right? So
Yeah.
Russell Brunson mentioned that if you do it for the next 1 year without any break, then definitely you will be financially free.
Wow.
So that is what motivates me. And the reason why financially free, because I have seen my father struggles, my even I also struggle for the last 6 7 years of my MBA journey, and still after that I am not able to pay off my loan. And when every every week, like my manager messages me that, hey, pay the EMI, pay the EMI.
Right.
That's what motivates me. Like that is the pain motivates me to do things every single day. Even if I feel sleepy, I was feeling sleepy just 1 hour back, right?
Mhm.
But no, I have to go. I have to impact people. I have to help people, more and more people, and that's what um, push me daily to take action.
Yeah, it's incredible, man. Yeah, we need motivation. And as like a entrepreneur, we don't need motivations. We are self-motivated ourselves. We don't need motivation from outside or something else. We are self-motivated. We know what to do. Okay, this is the learning curve. We are learning. See, as an entrepreneur, we have like a curve, like a curve. This part, it will be hard, hard.
Mhm.
Once you get here, like how to say, like once you reach the mountain and on whole world is looks beautiful. So this is also mountain. We are here. We'll reach here, and money is down there. Money is down
Yeah,
there. This part. So just it takes time to get here, and once you get here, you're good to go, man. You know what to do, and what time what to do and how to do that. So
yeah,
yeah. Whew. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Yeah, so I saw that this your good results and it's coming. It's really good results is coming from there. So I'm happy for you, brother. I'm really happy, and keep providing the value to your audience and keep motivate them, to do the things what we need to do, and then see, money is the tools, right? Money is the tools, and freedom is goal. So why we are thinking about the freedom and why we are talking about financing? You okay?
No,
All right. So why we talk about the financial freedom? I was talking about money is tool and freedom is goal. So why we are talking about that? This one, you know, because see, I just recently posted. I mean, it was incredible. I saw somewhere also. I recently posted. You know, when you work for like a someone else, they will remember 1 year, 2 years. You are replaceable. Like they can replace you right away. Suppose that they are giving you 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, whatever your wage is, 9 to 5 job. And if somebody see that, okay, if they can work in like a 6,000 same work, they will hire you and they will say, hey, bye bye, right? They don't care about you. Like I'm working for last 10 years in hospitality industry, hotel industry, and suddenly COVID happened. What they say? Okay, go home. We don't need you. We don't have business. So why I need to work that kind of the business? Those they don't like I'm like I'm replaceable. Like people, they can replace me anytime, any moment. If I do a little bit soft, I will do something and then they will fire me. You know.
yeah,
So
they don't value actually your things, whatever. They will just remove you within a second.
yeah,
It would fine for them, but for us, it does matter.
I
That's
mean,
the reason why I started building my skill.
yes, and skills, of course, we need to see. Knowledge is power. That's what I was saying. I will suggest you the people, those they are watching. I will suggest to the you also, and I suggest to read the books. I nobody was telling me earlier read the books, blah blah. Since I started this 15 days training, and in training they asked me to read that book. He said, I'm not asking you anything. You do or not do, read this book, only one book. I'm not giving you
Which
100.
one?
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Oh, right. That
Yeah.
was the one.
So it at least it will change your mindset, with your financial and what you are doing and what you're supposed to do, why you born in this world, you know. So I had the great chance to talk with him also, with the Dave Sar, and that time
Yeah,
I
you.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that time I said to him also that was same question. If you born the poor, that's not your fault. But if you die the poor, that's your fault. You know, people they are
Yeah.
doing, people they are doing from the India, and don't say like one of the coach and somebody was saying, oh, you are in America, that's why you can do that. But in India there is no scope. I said, no, you are wrong. This business you can work all over the world wherever
Yeah.
you are, right? You can work
Yeah.
anywhere in this world. So
Yes.
I don't know. It's very hard to make them understand, So if you put in the work and give you 6 month time to just focus on one thing, you'll get the results. Yes, you'll get the results. So yeah. So I mean, you got the sales and everything. So did people they contact to you, or first you connect them? As you say, like you just question and answer to them, and that's how they ask you, hey, help me, brother. So you connect with them, or they connect with you, like they ask you help.
Honestly, when I get started, I started approaching people, outreaching people.
Hmm.
But after that, when I understand that I should build my authority and create inbound leads,
Yeah,
then people started messaging me and asking in the group, in my group, they're
mm,
approaching me.
yeah.
That is what gives me good also make time to create content and yeah, doing the things. Yeah.
Okay, good, good, good. So I mean, right now you are doing on the Facebook. So what is the like a future is coming? Like, are you going to be a different platform or somewhere? Or, like I saw that YouTube also is like you have the.
Yeah, what I also focus on YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
uh, but not very edited kind of video, but that is also good to grow because YouTube is something people come and search their problem
You're
for to get a solution, right? But in
right.
Facebook, we are doing interruption marketing. We're interrupting them to whenever they are in the Facebook, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're interrupting them. But in YouTube, they are completely hot audience. They're searching their problems, right? And you
You're
are
right.
coming up in front of them. That's
It's a
how,
yeah, it's a
yeah,
search engine, like a
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So it is very high quality traffic. So that's how I started building this traffic also. And yeah, I definitely love to do that TikTok, but unfortunately in India that is not
Yeah,
here.
yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
so I started with the TikTok because I thought like a see I make like a it's a good amount of money, like a $10,000 so far with the TikTok. But I'm saying, don't think about that what you don't have. Think about what you have, right? Don't think about like a what the things you don't have. You have a incredible Facebook, okay? Why I'm saying to the Facebook? Because I'm not on the Facebook. So let me explain you why I'm saying to the Facebook, right? So why
mhm.
I'm saying to you Facebook because the people those are interested, you have already like a warm lead, or you can say hardly warm lead. I have all the TikToks on the cold lead. They really don't know anything about that. In your group, at least like if they have the 400 people, 200 people, they know that okay, Sagar is doing affiliate marketing. At least they know that okay, affiliate marketing is. But in my group, or when people they leverage from the TikTok to the my group, nobody knows that what is affiliate marketing. Fully cold leads. So
Okay.
yeah, so that's what I'm saying to you. Facebook is good. All right. TikTok is also good to leverage another platform. Like if you I want to grow, see my group also grow like a 400 people. Because of the TikTok. But not the quality leads. It will be maybe in the future, not the quality leads. But once somebody coming from the Facebook to your group, it means they are the quality lead. It means
Quality.
they are really willing to
They
learn.
know you. Yeah, because they know you. They
They know
come
you.
through your profile,
Yes.
right? So it is more chances that they know you and come to you.
You're right. So you don't have to think about the TikTok. Just think about the Facebook, what you have, and who knows that TikTok is there and tomorrow it will be not there. It's all depend upon the president. They will ban the TikTok, but the Facebook and YouTube and this thing is like I don't know how long it will be, but till the time we will leave, maybe it will be there. So take the advantage, right? Yeah, so wow, it's good. It's good talk, and it's really good talk. So, what you are going to say? Those who you started as a beginner, they just started, and what you are going to suggest them? This will be I think my last question to you. What you gonna suggest?
So if you wanted to start, then you should focus on one product and one traffic source,
Yeah,
right? That is what you should, and please stay away with the shiny object syndrome because this internet marketing has filled with lots of opportunities.
hmm,
I would say every opportunity is good, whatever you can see. But the thing is, you have to be focused on one thing, one offer, one traffic source, at least for 3 to 6 months to leverage that,
you're right.
right? Then only you will get to see that you understand that platform properly and you understand that product in a good way and you can promote. Now you can, if you ask me about ClickFunnels, then definitely I can say lots of information about like how does that product works, how this product sales kind of thing. So that is what is. understanding and focusing on one particular product and one particular traffic source. That is what is very much important.
Good, good. So are you connecting with like a local business and I'm trying to sell them also? No, not yet.
No, actually, my audience is like new affiliate marketers who are
Oh,
very
okay.
new to
Hmm.
affiliate marketing, and they have not started their earnings yet, right?
Yeah.
And they are just figuring out what is the right strategy to start, what is the right platform to start. So that is what my audience is all about. And yeah, definitely sometimes coaches, consultants come, but I don't focus there because my focus is helping new people to get
Yeah.
into this zone.
But yeah, one day it will be because like see, one to one and one to many is the difference, right? One to
Yeah,
one, you can reach one people how many times? You'll get tired, right? One to
yeah,
many, that's how it's gonna work this business, right? One to many, you are
yeah,
just live and then 10 people, 15 people, they are watching you asking question 1 hour live when you are good to go. You know, that will be your valuable client. So yes, we'll be there, one to one and one to many, but this is the starting. And that's a good thing about that we started. You know, a lot of
yeah.
people just think and dream, and then they think like, okay, it will not work and blah blah things. But the thing is like a start. Once you start, take actions. You know, take action and be consistent. Consistency, like we heard about that, everyone would say consistency is the key. You know, and you said on the YouTube like you don't have to do that much, you know, like editing or anything. No, you don't have. People, they will, if what they need you'll just give them, they will take it, you know. I have seen like a lot of people, you know, they don't show your face, the camera is not good and anything, but they are giving value, and they have like a
Hmm.
50,000 subscriber and everything, you know. I have seen, I know like if you want to grow quick, you cannot say anything about the algorithm, you know. You cannot say anything. The people, they are just posting their regular videos, they have the 50,000 subscriber. Why? Because they are giving value, you know. Once we start, oh, I need the very good camera, I need good lightings, I need uh, like a Adobe Pro or something, you know, and cut and paste. It's all depend upon the mindset, you know. Just post it. Consumer and producer, right? Consumer, we consume a
Yeah,
lot and we don't do anything. Producer is my, you consume and you produce right away. Just throw it, you know. It will not hit
yeah,
one, it will hit one day. One videos takes time to get viral and you are viral, you know. So just post it, post it, post it. I start working on the YouTube recently. Maybe you get notification also. I start posting something every day. I like you believe that going live on Facebook every day. I start believing myself. I'll post it one videos on YouTube every day, no matter what happened.
yeah.
Sure.
Do it,
I
man.
yeah, I started doing. I already posted like a 4 or 5 videos in this week, and I will do it. I don't know how long, but I will do that every day. I will throw something, you know. So because this is the good thing. I'm documenting my journey, whatever I'm learning. You know, I don't know how to make the like a channel art. Okay, so I learn it. Now what I will do, I will record it how I did that, and it will be there after 5 years when I will see that video, and it makes me reminder, because that is my journey, right? After 5 years you will see that, oh my god, I used to go like live every day, right? You will see that time and you will tell people, hey, I used to go live a year, you know, I used to go live. And what you are talking about, you are not doing anything, you know. If you have to reach that level, do these things. So that time it will be all the story and you are documenting your journey. That's incredible, you know. That's incredible. So what you are going to say, someone else, they are not comfortable with camera, or like they're shy and really they want to do affiliate marketing. So I mean,
Yeah.
you're
So camera is like, even when I get started, it took 30 videos to get the first video published in the public platform. So I have deleted all the things, like, but I should not do that. But further, like, I'm always thinking of perfections, but I'm not asking that you should do the best video in the first go. The progress is important, right? If you
Yes,
do it today, after 30 days, you will see that the progress has
I,
happened,
I see that in a
right?
one week. I see
That's
that like oh wow, what to do? Okay, next thing's what? I need to add my intro. Okay, okay. What else? I need to add the subscribe things. What to do that before. It's all about like a learning curve. Like I used to
yeah.
do. Okay, mobile. I have like I can do that. I said no. Why not enter in the fully computer? You have the computer desktop. Just figure out. So I tried to figure out. It's working good. People they say, okay, your thumbnail needs to be good. I said, okay, how to do that? I watched a couple of the videos. I got it. So it takes time, effort. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead. You were saying something.
No, I'm not saying that.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So
Go ahead, go ahead.
that's good. That's very good. Good, good. All right. So yeah, Facebook and YouTube. I will suggest you also Facebook and YouTube, whatever you are going live, record it,
Yeah.
post it on that YouTube also. That's it. Just do it, and then
Yeah.
people will get value today or after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 6 year. People they still watch their videos. So it's good, good.
Mhm.
So, all right. So it's going to be 46 minutes. So that was so incredible chat with you. So how about like if you guys like watching live? I didn't say this one. If somebody is watching live, I don't think so anybody loves. So if somebody is watching live, hashtag live, and somebody is watching replay, and just please comment down below if you guys need any help. Reach out Sagar. He's doing good. Reach out me if you need any help. Don't be in the silence. And the final word, Sagar, what are you gonna say to our audience? The final words.
Like, the one thing I would say that document your journey. Like, you don't feel that sometimes, but content to create the most important aspect of that thinking that, hey, what I wanted to share today. You don't
Hmm.
have to be share marketing stuff every single day. Yeah, definitely you should put a combination of your lifestyle,
Hmm.
your family, and your then business money results, whatever you wanted to share. That
Yeah.
just document your journey, right? I would say that I was in hospitals, right? And I was not able to go live and share the learnings, right? But what
Hmm.
I did is I just share what I learn, right? What I learn through my family, through my life. So just share that. Okay, hey, I'm just came across these things and these things happened to my life, and this is the things. So that's I just share, right? I was traveling. I in 1 a.m. in the night. I say I have not yet done my Facebook live today. What should I share? I just said, hey, I am in the middle of the road. I was just driving. I thought of sharing a message
Hmm.
that you don't have any excuse that, oh, I'm traveling. I cannot do live. You have phone, right? You have just one
Phone,
button.
internet,
Click.
both.
That's
Yeah,
right.
use it. Right.
Use it. You have everything in your just click of your button, the finger, right? Just
Hmm.
pull the finger and go live. That's it. So that's what I am able to achieve this thing. I have family functions, right? But I just go out for three to 4 minutes. Yeah,
Hmm.
just open my camera. I just share message. People, as my people, my friends make fun of me that why
Hmm.
he's so addicted to that Facebook Live.
Yeah.
But I feel this is what I love to do. So there is a no limit that I should do this, that day. Uh, so that is what my message is all about. Just document your journey,
Yeah.
and definitely you will see that good results coming out.
All right. Awesome. 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 So, guys, I hope you guys find a lot of value, and even if after this live you want to reach out Sagar, he is the guy. He's gonna help you. You don't know anything, anything about where to start, how to start. Just reach out him. join his Facebook group. He has all the free course and he has all the supports. Even you join your journey with one funnel away challenge, he will be with you 30 days. You can ask him question anything, whatever. If you want to talk to me, and we have also Chanmay, we also decide to go live every couple of the days in the live if you guys have any questions. So that's why we are making the communities where if you need, if you like Sagar, go through the Sagar, he will help you. If you like Tanmay, go for the Tanmay. If you like me, just come to me. So we will give the same value. We'll just take the value. Don't be in the silence or just think about that he don't know anything. No, I didn't know that anything. When you started, everybody start from zero, right? Everybody.
Zero.
So that's why, like, everybody start from zero, but at least we started. That's a good point, is that at least we started, and we are just going every day, our giving times and showing in front of the people, okay, we are here, we are here. So that's a good thing about. So I just want to say thank you, Sagar, for
Thanks.
joining this live. Thank you so much, and thank you
Thanks.
for your time. you know and hope to see you again. So in the future, just come again our live, and then share some more strategy with our audience. And let me know if you need any help from my side. I'll be so happy to share with you. If I need, of course, I will call you and contact with you. All right, so thank you for
Thanks. Bye bye.
thank you. Sorry. All right, so this is the Sagar. He was crossing with the ClickFunnels. So I told you guys, go and reach out him, follow him, and everything. So that is for the today. I'll see you the next live with someone else. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Bye for now.